Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing EarthLink Internet. Let's jump right in. Now, EarthLink has been around for decades. It's still a solid choice for both homes and small businesses, especially if you want a reliable and consistent internet connection. One of its biggest advantages is flexible service options. Depending on where you live, you can get DSL, wireless internet, or even fiber, which offers symmetrical upload and download speeds, great for remote work, online gaming, and HD streaming. Another huge plus is unlimited data on most plans. If you have multiple devices or a household full of heavy internet users, you won't have to worry about annoying data caps or throttling. On top of that, EarthLink includes security features like antivirus protection and spam filtering to help keep your devices safe. Where EarthLink shines is customer support. Their team is known for being responsive and helpful, whether you need setup assistance or troubleshooting. So, if reliability and support matter to you than flashy extras, EarthLink definitely checks those boxes. Now, there are a few things to keep in mind. EarthLink isn't always the cheapest provider, and speeds can vary a lot depending on your region. So, before you sign up, make sure to check what's available in your exact area. Overall, I want to say EarthLink is a great option if you're looking for dependable internet, unlimited data, fiber speed potential, and strong customer service. It's especially good for families, remote workers, and small businesses that need stable performance without interruptions. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!